Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Actually,
Yeah,
in this, in Microsoft
yeah.
Team, there is a rule that if I will start the meeting, then anyone can't be eligible to join the meeting. Okay, so I was not starting the meeting. Yeah, now it is started. And wait for a second. Okay, so is my screen visible to you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is. Yes, yes.
Okay. Yep. So just one second. I am not seeing. Okay, so now we can start. Okay, so first of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you all for joining this session on mastering Git and GitHub session. Okay, so as you are aware, I am Adil Latif, and I am an Alpha MLSA, Alpha Microsoft Learning Event Ambassador. Okay, and I will be your I will guide you through this session. So, this session goal is to make GitHub and Git and GitHub easy to understand and implement all the things and how to make a repo and how to clone a repo and how to upload a folder in Git and GitHub. So we will means we will understand all the things and means I have work that get you comfortable using these powerful tools for version control and collaboration. So in the next 30 minutes, we will cover these topics. So first, we will discuss about introduction to Git and GitHub. And secondly, we will discuss about how to start using Git and GitHub. The third one is how to connect your GitHub account to Git. Means after Git installation, how do you connect your GitHub account to Git? Okay, because you can't upload or can't make a repo without connecting your GitHub account to Git. Okay, and the fourth one is create and edit codes file locally. The fifth one is how to create a repository on GitHub. The sixth one is how to push your local code to GitHub. Means after all the things in Git, you have to push your local code to GitHub. Okay. And the last, we will discuss about the common Git commands. How many Git commands are there in GitHub? Okay. So and we will also have a question and answer session at the end. So you can ask your question in the last. Okay. So yeah. So in the introduction of Git and GitHub, so what is Git? So Git is basically Git and GitHub are the key tools in programming, okay, and helping you manage code versions and collaborate with others. Means if you have a code if you have a code, okay, and if you have to upload the code on GitHub, and if you want to update the code, means by weekly or by monthly or by collaborating with each other, you want to make a website by collaborating with your team, okay, so you can take help from GitHub, that how we can collaborate. So basically Git is a distributed version control systems, okay, that helps you track. It also helps you to track changes to your code, means how many times your code has been changed. You can also track, you can also collaborate with your friends team and many others, okay, and you can also manage different versions of your project. Means after updation you can change the version of your project, okay. And now what is GitHub? Okay, so basically both are means slightly same, but GitHub is a cloud-based platform. Okay, it is not a web hosting platform. It is a cloud-based platform that hosts Git repositories. Okay, means if you means without GitHub, no, Git is nothing. Okay, so Git hosts your Git repositories. Okay, it allows you to store your code online in a cloud, means cloud based. Okay, and also GitHub allows you to collaborate with other developers or your other team members and manage your project. Okay, so now how to start this? Okay, so what are GitHub? It is so yeah, so we can see that what is the difference between GitHub and Git. So GitHub is a service and Git is a software. GitHub is a service that provides you all the means all the permission. Okay, but Git is a software that allows you to upload a repo or how to change a repo. Okay, so Git is a software. The second point is GitHub is a graphical user interface and Git is a command line tool. Okay, means in the GitHub now you can see all the things in a graphical user interface, but in the Git now you if you have to change anything now you have to send a command to Git. Okay, I will explain all the things. So third point is GitHub is hosted on web. Okay, but Git is installed in your local system. Okay, GitHub means there is no need to install GitHub, but it is mandatory to install Git. So I will explain you how to install Git also. And GitHub is maintained by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft allows you to means allows or give the permission to maintenance of the GitHub repositories, but Git is maintained by Linux. Okay, the fifth point is GitHub is focused on centralized source code hosting. Okay, means a centralized source, but Git is focused on version control. That's in the first I have told that it helps in your version control and collaboration. Okay, and the last is GitHub is a hosting service for Git repositories, and Git is a version control system to manage your source code history. Means if you have to track the all changes or history, then you can see all the things on Git. Okay, and the next thing is how to start using Git and GitHub. Okay, so basically if you are engineer or you are from tech field and you know coding and programming, then it is necessary to means to understand how the Git and GitHub repo works. Okay, so for installation, if I guess all installed the Git. Okay, but if you have not installed now, then I am sharing my screen. Okay, and just wait 1 second. Just wait 1 second. I am sharing my screen. So how can you also install the Git? Yep. So is my screen visible now? Okay. So you have to search Git. Okay. Git bash download. Okay. When you search on Chrome or Edge, na, then you can see a Git scm.com website. Okay, so you have to not click on downloads git, you have to click on windows, because in macs na, in macs or linux, it is means pre-installed in your system. Okay, but for but you can also check. I will explain the how to check your system that git is installed or not. So for Windows, you can click on Windows, okay, and you have to click on 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Means according to your PC or laptop, that it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So my laptop is 64-bit. Okay, so I am downloading the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. So when it is downloaded, wait, I am uninstalling my Git. Okay, so it is downloaded. Okay, so when I will open this, no, see, it is opening. Is it visible or not? Because I am sharing, I was sharing only a Chrome tab. Just wait 1 second, I am sharing again. There is just some bug in Microsoft Team. I will give a feedback to Microsoft Team also. Okay, so now my screen is visible now, that you can see that Git is installing. Am I right?
Not visible.
Well, Uh, I am sharing my screen. Just wait 1 second. Now is it visible or not?
No, it is not visible. Not visible.
Visible, just wait 1 minute. I guess now there is some issue in this. Okay, so now is it visible? Yes,
Yes,
visible.
visible.
Yeah, so see, from first now you can see the term and condition of Git. Okay, and after this, you have to only click on next. Okay, you have to, and where do you want to install the Git, you can choose and browse the folder. Okay, so after next, you have to not change anything from here. Okay, only just clicking on next, 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 and now it is installing. Okay, so in the last now you can see it is extracting file from the exe file. Okay, so after the completion of this, Git will be installed in our system. Okay, okay, so we have to not view. So just click on finish. Okay. Now for verification that Git is installed or not, and what is the version of the see here na, it is showing that the updated version of the Git is 2.46.0. Okay. So now we can see just you can open the command prompt. Is it visible na? My command prompt. And make sure that you are opening the command prompt as run as administrator. Don't open as local system. Okay, run as administrator. So now is it visible?
accessible.
Okay, so for checking now that Git is installed or not, you have to only give a command that Git and version, and after Git version you have to hit enter. Then now see, it is showing that Git version 2.46.0 Windows 1. Okay, so see, it is the same version that I have installed. Okay, so if you have not installed the updated version, no, then install the updated version. So now we can close it. See, after installation, no, you have to just okay. So now the thing is, so see, we have installed the Git. Okay, and for this type, you can see the Git version. And after downloading now, we can see this thing. Okay, so means Git version, you can check the Git version. Okay, so after this you have to create a GitHub account. After installation of Git in your local system, you have to create a GitHub account. So how many have means anyone here who have not a GitHub account? Because I am not going to show you how to create a GitHub account. Anyone who has not a GitHub account? All have? Okay, so anyone has no doubt not that how to create a GitHub account? Anyone has doubt, then I will clear. Okay, so just let me know that if you have any doubt in how to install. No, how to create a GitHub account. So no doubt, then I am go ahead. So see, you can see the user interface that how to create a GitHub account. Okay. So just okay. So now the thing is connect your GitHub account to Git. So I have installed it right now. So I can show you screen. Okay. So is my screen visible now? Yes. My full screen visible, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So see, I can open the Git bash. I have to open the Git bash as administrator. Okay. See, run as administrator and yes. So after this, no, you can see, uh, wait, I guess no, there is a some issue. Just wait 1 second. Just wait a few minutes. I am back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we are here that we are. So see, how to set your Git username. Okay. Because for connecting the, am I audible now? Please let me know, am I
Yeah, yeah.
audible or
Yeah,
not?
yeah.
Okay, yeah. So the step 3 is how to connect your GitHub account to Git. Okay. So for set your Git firstly when you are connecting your GitHub account now, then make sure that you have logging means you have login the GitHub account in your browser. Okay, in your browser you must have a login. Okay, that's how you can connect the GitHub account. So just open the Git bash and run as administrator. Okay, and just you have to type this that you can see na git config. So just I am typing git config minus minus means a hyphen hyphen global user dot name. Okay, and otherwise you can also means set your username in GitHub also. Okay, I guess it is showing error anything. Yeah, so it is already means now it is has been created. Okay, my username has been created. Okay, and now it will be when I will clicking this now git config. Okay, so when I will check, then it is showing that Adil Latif. Okay, means when I will check now that what is my username, and the command to check your username is git config hyphen hyphen global user dot name. Okay, when you will type this and hit the enter, then your name will be shown Adil Latif. Okay, so after this now you have to set your git email. Okay, so basically your git email will be automatically set when you will push your first repo. Okay, so now we can go to how to just wait. Okay, so how to create means when you code anything means any file in HTML or CSS or C, then how to upload it. So basically, if means I have created a file. Okay, I will show you. Uh, Before that, now we have to create a new repo. See, we have to create a new repo, and for that.
வரல நான் டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணி அதுக்குள்ள போயிட்டு திரும்பி கொடுத்துட்டு தான் வந்தேன்.
Okay, so is my screen visible now? That I am showing you my GitHub account.
இது
Is my
பாலா
screen
நானே ஃபோன் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க.
is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So see now when you have to create a repo now, then just after sign up or login in your GitHub account, you have to uh, click on the this plus icon that will be shown in the right top. Okay, so you have to click on plus icon and you have to click on new repo. Okay, after clicking now, it will be ask what is your repo name. So you can means you can give a repo name. I am giving 7 and shape and meeting. Okay, 7 shape meeting, and you can means choose that your repo will be public or private. Okay, so I am basically chosen as public, and see readme file means you can also add a readme file from your code, or you
அன்னைக்கு
means
ஒரு
it
நாள்
is
ஃபுல்லா
optional thing.
போயிருந்தானேடா இது
Okay,
அதுக்கு
it
பேர்
is
என்ன
optional thing.
அது ஐயோ ஹெச்ஓடி கூப்பிட்டு இருந்துச்சுன்னு போயிருந்தானே.
So see and you have to click on create repo in last. Okay, when you click on create repo now, you can see the first interface of your repo. Okay, that I have only a readme.md file. Okay, and basically in this file, this is the output of this file, that is 7 shape meeting. It is the name of this repo. Okay, so basically how to upload the means your file in this repo. Okay, using git. So just okay, so I am opening my code. Okay, so now see, after creating a repo, no, you will be get this type thing. After creating a repo, you will see this type. Okay, is push. Okay, so now see, is my screen visible now? My desktop. My desktop is visible now. Okay, so I have muted everyone. Wait. Okay, so now you can unmute yourself. Uh, my screen is visible now. My desktop is opened. Okay, so for see, it is a means folder. Okay, so I have to push this folder in my GitHub repo. Okay, so how can I do it? See, uh, when I will uh, right click on this folder, no, when I will, okay, what is happening? So see, when I will right click on this folder, then you can see a show more option. But if you are in Windows 7 now, you can automatically means redirect to this. Okay, so in this now you can see open git bash here, an option. You can see open git bash here, so you have to click on open git bash here. Okay, by clicking on this now you can automatically go to the folder. Okay, because from your VS code, if you means if you will open from VS code now, then you have to give a command for redirect to your folder. But if you do it by right click on this and show more options and open git bash here, then it will be automatically redirected to your folder. Okay, so I have redirected to my folder. Now we have to do one thing, that see, is it showing now? See, now we have to push the local code to our GitHub. Okay. So firstly, we have to create a readme.md file. It is optional thing because we have made a readme.md file. So there is no need to made it again. Now we have to initialize the git repo. So how to initialize it? We have to give a command to git, that git and init, git space init. So see, git space init. When you will type and hit enter, then it will initialize. Okay, means git will be initializing your file. Okay, or folder. Basically folder, it is not file. Okay, so now you have to add the all files in the means in the git. Okay, so for adding it, you have to give a command git add and dot, only dot. Okay, so and now hit enter, then it will be not give any output. Okay, so now the next thing, how to commit your change, means commit your change means that when let that you have uploaded a project. Okay, now you have to change the project or update the project. Okay, then you will means for a mark that you have updated it, you have to means you have to give a command that it is updated version. Okay, so you can see that there is a green first commit. You can change this by any text. Okay, by any text that it is my first commit or I am adding my commit. It is not necessary to type this first commit only. Okay, so now I am typing that git commit and a hyphen and m and double inverted comma, then it is my first commit. Okay, so when I will click now and now closing inverted comma, now hit enter. Okay, so when I will means hit enter now, then you can see that there is a there is 4 files changed. It is showing that 4 files changed means uh, the folder is not initialized, never. Okay, it is never initialized before. I am initializing this time. Okay, and after when I am initializing, then git under means git is understanding that there are 4 files that are new. Okay, because I have not initialized it before, so it is means giving an output that there are 4 files that has been changed. Okay, so see that my file has means my folder has 4 files. Okay, my folder has only 4 files. See, there is an output that we have 4 files. Okay, so now, okay, so now the next command is git branch uh, git branch and hyphen and capital M. Okay, and basically here now we can adding our files to the branch, and main is the name of the branch. I am typing the main now, that is main is the name of this branch. Okay, so now hit enter. When you will hit enter, then there is no output. Okay, don't be tense, there is no output. Okay, now you have to link your local repository to the GitHub repository. Means in my local system, you can see that there is a to-do list HTML folder. Means you can let also that there is a repo in my local system. Okay, and see that in my GitHub there is a repo that's name is 07 hyphen shape and meeting. So now you have to connect this to the local system. Okay, so for this now you have to click on this code button, and now you have to copy the HTTPS link of this repo. Okay, so you have to copy it, and basically you have to come to the git. Okay, and you have to give a command that git remote add. Means git remote means we are remoting the our local repositories to the GitHub repo. Okay, so git remote add origin, and that we have copied, but you can't paste here by clicking the shortcut control plus V. Okay, so for paste now you have to paste the thing by clicking right click. When you click right click na, then you can see a paste button. Okay, so just click on paste and hit enter. Then it will automatically means connect your GitHub, and it will be automatically upload all the files or folder to your GitHub repo. So now the last thing is you have to push your code. Means you have to एक तरह से धक्का दिया जा रहा है, ठीक है, मीन्स उसमें अपलोड किया जा रहा है. So you have to push your code to GitHub. So for this, you have to give a command git push, means you are pushing it hyphen u origin and main. Main is the branch name. Okay. So when you are hitting enter now, then see what is happening. Build. Okay, so now we can check also. It is showing page first. Just wait 1 second. I am checking the git repo. What is the change? There is no change. Okay. So wait. Yeah. Done the wrong thing, I guess. Just wait 1 second. Okay, so Okay, so the last thing is you have to push your code. Okay, I guess there is some error in my means commanding the code. Okay, so just you have to do one thing. Okay, I guess now I have not connected it. No, no, I have connected. So you have to push your code. When you will push the code now and see what is showing. See, it will be showing that when you will this na then it will be showing that branch main setup to track remote branch main from origin means the repo main branch will be automatically connect to your local GitHub means local repo. Okay, it will be automatically connect to your local repo. Okay, so basically after this now you can see that how it will be looks like. Okay, so you can see that I have means upload this uh, before. Okay, so when you will upload this now, then you can see that there is 4 files. Okay, and its name is to do list app or to do task. Okay, and when you have uploaded now, then you have to means if it is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file, then you have to run it in the GitHub. Means you can publish it on GitHub. Okay, so how to publish it? You have to just come to pages. Okay, so it is already published, but I am publishing it. Okay, so for publishing now, you have to just wait 1 second. Okay, so for this now means after okay, there is some error in this. No, now you can see. Uh, when you will means publish this page now, then you can means run the HTML file on GitHub. Okay, so see it is published on GitHub, and I am means running it on GitHub website. Okay, so you can also open it on from my GitHub profile. Now we can go ahead at what is common Git commands. Okay, so for initializing, you have seen that there is a command git and init in it. Okay, this is the first git command. The second command is how to add a specific file. Okay, so you can uh, give a command that git add and what is the name of the specific file. For adding a specific file, you have to give a command git add and readme.md. Okay, and for adding all the files from your means local repo, you can give a command git add and dot. Okay, after this command, git add dot. After this command, now you can add all the files in the GitHub repo. Okay, and the next is how to commit a stacked files means how to commit all the files and you can see all the versions of this file. Then git commit hyphen m and your commit message. It is totally depends on you that what are you means typing here. Okay, that your commit message. After this, you can check the status of your files, that what is the status, it has been uploaded or not. Okay, and you can also modify it. You can also means delete it. Okay, after history means what is the history of this code, means when I have uploaded it, how many times we have make a change in this project or repo. You can give a command git and log, git and log. After this, you can view the history of your commits, all the commits. Okay, and the next is how to create a new branch. So for creating a new branch in the main branch, you can just click on just type a command that git branch new hyphen branch name, means new hyphen branch name is the name of your new branch. The next one is how to switch to a different branch, means think you are uploading a GitHub file to main branch. Okay, and now you have to change, means now you have to means add a new folder named images. Okay, images, you have to make a new folder images, named images. Okay, so you can and you have to upload some image file, not in main file. Okay, means you have to not upload the images in the main branch. You have to upload all the photos in images branch or folder. Okay, so you can switch to a different branch, that git checkout. Checkout means change or switch, and the branch name means in which branch do you want to switch. Okay, that is the branch name. And I guess it is last, that how to rename the current branch to main, means if you have made a means if you have made a an incorrect name of branch. Okay, so you can also change or rename the current branch to main, main. Okay, and the next thing is how add a remote repository, means how to add the repository in the GitHub, and how to connect it. Then you can copy it from GitHub and paste it. Okay, the yeah, so the 10th is how to push the changes to GitHub. So it is the command at git push hyphen u origin and main, means you are uploading all the things in main branch. Okay, how to pull changes from GitHub. So you can give a means pull changes means removing all the folder. Okay, so you can give a command at git pull origin and main. And the next thing is merge a branch into the current branch. How to merge a image branch, that I have told, that how to merge the image branch in the main branch. So you can give a command that git merge and branch name. Means uh, if you are in the main branch, then then you can give a command that git merge and branch name. Means if you will give a command that git merge image, then the image branch will be merged to the main branch. Okay, how to clone a repository, means it is the totally necessary thing that you have to know how to clone a repository from GitHub. Means if I have made a repo and you have to clone my repo in your local system. Okay, so you can give a command to your git bash, that git clone and my repo link. Okay, just give a my repo link and it will be automatically downloaded to your local system. Okay, and how to delete a branch, then git branch and hyphen d and branch name. You means after this the branch will be deleted. Yes, so if you have any question, then ask now. Anyone has any question? If anyone has any question, then ask, because if you will not ask, then how can we overcome the means fear? Akash. Okay, so I am telling your name also. Akash, Abhishek, Akash. Okay, so Akash. There is two Akash. Okay, Chetna. Have you any doubt? Okay, so
I have an
yeah.
error.
Yeah. Yeah, because I guess now I have means given a wrong command. Okay, so I have the error. Okay, so Kedar, Khalim, Krishna, Muhammad Jaid.
No, I am getting error while
Yeah.
giving the command git push -u origin main. While giving that command, I am getting error.
Which type of error means my same error?
Fail to push some repositories to like that.
Okay. Have you connected your Git into your GitHub? Means have you connected your GitHub account to Git? Because I guess now I have not connected. Okay, so that's I have. But if we have not connected now, then it will be showing that you have denied to push these means these files to this repo. It is the output, but it will be not the output.
Could you please say how to connect it because I missed that part right?
Just wait 1 second. Just wait 1 second. I am deleting means I am deconnecting the my GitHub from Git, and then I will show you. Just wait 1 second. So anyone wants to know how to delete means how to deconnect the GitHub? Anyone wants to know?
Yes, I want to know. I want to know.
Okay, so I will explain it. Just I have to reconnect it. Okay. So is my screen visible now? Okay, so I am now closing the PowerPoint slide. Okay, so for this now, you have to go to Git bash, run as administrator. Just wait. Okay, so in this now, uh, there is a command. Yep. So I guess now I have not set my Git email. That's why it showing error. Okay, so the means for connecting now, you have to give a command that git and config. Okay. Means how to set your username. It is the thing. Okay. Git config double hyphen global user dot name and what is your username. Okay. So this and after this now you have to give a command. Just wait 1 second. Yeah. To add your email. Now we have to give a command that git config. Yeah. Git config double hyphen global user dot mail. I guess mail is correct. Email, email. So you have to give email. Email. Okay, and my email. Okay, so I have means given this. Okay, and now I have to connect it from my GitHub. Just wait. Guess there is a reconnection. Okay, so now I am again uploading my files. Wait. So, and okay. And now what is the okay? Now git init. No, I am not here. Wait. Paste in git bash here. Okay. So I am git init. Now it is reinitializing because it is uh, already initialized. Okay, now I'm adding git add. Okay, now I'm committing git commit. On branch main, nothing to commit, okay, because it has been already committed. So now git branch git remove that origin. Origin means you are uploading the original thing, okay. And now you have to give the so it is the file https github.com. Okay, that is correct. Remote origin already exists. Now git push new origin main. It is denying, denying, denying. Yeah. Now see, you have to means it will be automatically opened that you have to connect to GitHub. Means you have to connect the Git to your GitHub account. So you have to click on just sign in with your browser. Okay. You have to just click and that's why I was saying that you must have to log in the GitHub account in your browser. That is not opening and reach. Okay, pushing it. It push.
Yeah, I'm facing this error only. I also facing the same error.
The same error na because you have not connected. Yeah, I means okay. But now it is not right
But I
redirecting.
opened the GitHub in my browser.
No, no, it will be means there is no need means you have to connect your GitHub account to Git. Okay, that's why it is showing error. And now it is not coming. Wow. Okay, so I am Git init. Just wait. Okay, so I'm removing this. Okay, to Git. Just wait 1 minute. Okay. Oh, there is a command that I am for copy delete it, remove push. Hello. Just wait 1 minute, okay? Just wait 1 minute. Git mute. Git event. Git commit. Branch main. Nothing to commit. Okay. Nothing to commit. Git branch. Git model and sync. Push. It is redirecting, but it is not redirected to connect. So just and for the removing the means for deconnecting, no, for you can come to credential manager. Am I audible? No, I'm
Yes,
audible. No.
audible. Yes, yes.
So you can come to credential manager, click on Windows credential, and you can see that okay, so it is already. So for removing this, now you can just click on remove, and you have to only remove this. Okay, after this, now you will means it will be automatically deconnected from your GitHub. Okay. Anyone has any doubt again?
So I want to ask something different. Would you
Yeah, yeah.
simplify
Ask.
the difference between a fork and a clone?
Uh, Means what are you saying? I'm not understanding.
I asked, would you simplify the difference between a fork and a clone?
Okay, so means what is fork and what is uh, clone?
Yeah, yeah,
Means
that's
actually fork and means clone are both Git operation. Okay, and both are used to create copies. Means how to copy the repo. Both are using this for same. Okay, but they serve as different purposes. Means for purpose is to create a personal copy of a repo under your GitHub. Under your GitHub. Okay, means if anyone wants to not share you their GitHub repo, then you can't fork their repo, but you can clone. Okay, and fork is means used when you want to contribute to a project. Means if you want to contribute to a team project that you don't have right access, okay, to, or when you want to experiment with changes in your own space or your own GitHub account. Means fork is for safety purpose. Okay, but in clone there is no safety purpose. You can clone any repo. Okay, but you can't fork any repo, because on GitHub you might fork a repo to propose changes to a popular project, not a personal project. Okay, and also you will end up with a repo under your GitHub account that is the copy of a original project. Okay, and means clone is to create a local copy uh, of repo from GitHub account. Means clone also clone means the second difference is clone is used to create a local copy in your local computer, but fork used to means copy the repo to your GitHub account, not to your local computer. Okay.
yeah, that's completely fine.
Yeah. Anyone has in any another doubt?
After deleting the Windows credentials, I'm seeing the screen called connect to GitHub.
Now it will be shown because when you reconnected, na, then you have to reconnecting again.
Now I have to click sign in to your browser.
Sign into your browser and it will be automatically redirected to your browser. And there you have to must log in your GitHub, or you can also log in also.
But I'm facing the issue like this site can't be reached.
It will be auto means for me also this will be error. I guess now there is some error from GitHub side, means Git side, okay?
Okay, okay,
Because it will
okay.
was also seeing that H triple M can't reach this page.
Okay.
Maybe there is some GitHub means error. Yeah, so anyone has any another doubt? Also turn on your
After
camera.
this step, what are
Yeah,
the
yeah,
other steps?
yeah.
After this, what are the other steps?
Other step, you have to only create and create your repo and upload the folder to your repo. Only this is the thing of the GitHub and means Git and GitHub.
This is the final step in
Yeah, it
creating
is
the
yeah,
folder
it is
inside the.
it is the final thing that you have to push your local files or folders to your GitHub repo. It is the final thing.
Once this error is fixed, then my folder will be pushed into my GitHub account.
Uh, means what are you asking? I am not understanding.
No, no, now I'm getting error right. After this error will be rectified, my folder will be pushed into the GitHub account.
Yeah, your folder will be pushed to the GitHub repo, not account. GitHub repo. It will
Oh,
be automatically
okay, okay,
pushed.
okay,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah, anyone has any another doubt? And also it is the time to turn on your cameras because of selfie. Turn on your camera, please. Okay, so Pushpa Shri. Only Pushpa Shri is opening her camera. Okay. Okay, Kedar also. Muhammad Waris, Kavinya. Also, there are many attendees. I guess 30 attendees are here. I guess means there are some problem not to join the Zoom meeting because I am means I have seen that when I have take the meeting on Zoom, there is less member. On Meet, there are more members, and on Microsoft Team, there is another more members, means 31. Wow. And from last, means from first, there are, I guess, 45 to 50 members. Please turn on your cameras. Uh, Another, please turn on your camera. So I'm sharing my screen. Otherwise, I will take the selfie, okay? I
Do
am
you have any
waiting.
LinkedIn account? Sir,
Yeah,
do you
Muhammad
have any
Waris.
LinkedIn account?
Yeah, I have.
Could you share please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Are you a community member? Means, are you an already TX Ninjas community member or not?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, then you can find it, no? Wait, I am sending, and I am waiting for only 1 minute. Okay. I will take a screenshot on 8:13. Till now, you have time to turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera, guys. We have to post on
Aadil,
LinkedIn also. Hi, Adil. Yeah. I
Yeah, I hope next week we will meet at Gurgaon
next.
Microsoft office.
Yeah.
For a-
Sure. On 14th Sep.
Yeah.
Okay, Suzoe. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you. Okay, so I'm taking a photo. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it is completed. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining this meeting. I hope you found this session very helpful and
Yeah.
means
Thank you
for
for your valuable session.
yeah, most welcome. Yeah, and for means technical field, you must have to know Git and GitHub because it is totally mandatory if you if you want to coding or programming. Okay, so bye bye guys. I will share your participation certificate and only one guy will be eligible for LinkedIn Premium for 6 months. Okay, so it will be randomly selected from Microsoft team and when I will receive their message for the LinkedIn Premium, I will send. Okay, or maybe Microsoft will automatically send you. Okay, from you guys only because you are from starting to end because it is Microsoft rule that if anyone leave the meeting or session in middle of the session, then they can't means he or she will not be eligible for the LinkedIn Premium. Okay, so congratulations. Maybe anyone will uh, win. Yeah. So thank you so much, everyone. And if you have any further question, you can ask in the doubt session also of my community. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Most welcome.
So now we can leave, right?
Yeah. Now you can leave.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I have one query regarding Canva Pro account.
Yeah. Actually, means I have collaborated with a school company. Okay, for only 100 means 100 seats. Okay, and when I have shared the link on email now on your means first 100 emails, then they do a wrong thing that they shared the link to their friends also. Okay,
No.
so
After that only I filled that Google form. You said there are few
okay.
seats limited.
Because that's I know, but means after filling your before filling your form, na, it will totally 100 sheet closed. Okay, because 100 means there is someone that share the Canva Pro link to their friends also. So that's why. But don't worry, I am means collaborating with the some companies for 500 seats now. Okay, so now you
Okay.
can so when I will collaborate, then I will send you the Canva Pro link and it is now
Okay.
means my totally it is totally in my hand. Then I can remove anyone. Okay, if you are not my community member, then I will remove from the Canva Pro. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Recording lecture will be provided.
Yeah, I will provide the recording soon.